Replacing a factory key fob can cost an arm and a leg at the dealership. But what if you could get the exact same function and feel for a fraction of the price? We're looking at the Dorman 99084ST keyless entry remote, and this little black transmitter is designed to be a direct, seamless replacement for specific Chrysler and Dodge vehicles, covering models like the Charger, Challenger, and 300 from 2011 through 2018. It's a 5-button setup, matching the original perfectly in appearance and function. Dorman, of course, has over a century of automotive experience, and that trustworthy quality really shows here. The construction feels durable, not like some flimsy generic knockoff you might find online. It has a decent weight to it, suggesting quality materials were used to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. This is exactly what you want when you're trusting a part to keep your vehicle secure and accessible. Now, here is the critical detail you absolutely need to know before buying. This is not a simple DIY setup. Unlike some older remotes, the 99084ST requires professional programming. You need a compatible scan tool to properly pair this remote to your vehicle's security system. Dorman strongly recommends setup by a qualified professional. So, while the fob itself is a great value, remember to factor in that trip to the mechanic or locksmith. If you own one of these compatible vehicles and need a reliable spare or replacement, and you are prepared for the professional programming step, the Dorman 99084ST is an excellent, high-quality alternative to the expensive OEM option. It delivers factory performance without the factory price tag. A solid choice for anyone needing reliable keyless entry functionality back in their life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.